snakes. But there's St. Patrick, and he's going to chase them all out of Ireland. Okay, ready?
Yes.
This is a twist, a St. Patrick's Day twist to Carnivores versus Herbivores. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to pick a card. If you're a snake, you have to find your friend snake that's like you.
Okay.
So you're going to say, for example,
Ooh.
I
I am pink, purple, and orange snake.
am. Okay. If that's a bit complicated, you could just have them say, I'm a pink snake.
I'm a pink snake.
Okay. And if you're St. Patrick, you're going to try to catch the other. So if you want to find your friend, you want to find your friend. Yes?
I'm a pink snake. I'm a pink snake. Okay.
The ones that are snakes, they can walk as much as they want, but St. Patrick has to do one step at a time, saying, I chase snakes.
I chase snakes.
Okay. I'll play two because we have to be five. Okay, ready? You pick one, but you don't say,
Okay.
and you look at it, but you don't say what it is. Keep it to yourself. Okay, everybody has them? Okay, ready, guys?
Yes.
Get blindfolded.
Teacher.
Done.
I'll help you.
Teacher,
Can you help?
Can you help, please?
Yes, I can help.
Oh, thank you.
Well, I can try.
Ouch.
Ouch, sorry.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ready, steady, play.
I'm a yellow.
I chase the snakes.
I'm a pink snake.
I chase the snakes.
I'm a pink snake.
I chase the snakes.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I chase the snakes.
Oh! Okay, yellow snakes found each other. We're stop. Pink snakes, we were caught.
Oh.
St.
St.
Patrick chased the pink snakes out, but the yellow snakes are still in Ireland. Have fun, guys.